Now, are the RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad not backing Modi in the upcoming Gujarat elections? Well, at least that's what Modi beta Keshubhai Patel's close aide claims. Former Gujarat MOS home and leader of Gujarat Parivartan Party, Gordhan Zadafia, has said that the newly floated party is being supported by both the RSS and the VHP. He insists that the RSS and VHP have issued no directive to their cadre to vote for the BJP, but the BJP dismisses his claims.
See, we are equally keeping distance with both the parties. And Narendra Bhai Modi, we are also from the same cadre from which Narendra Modi comes. And the whole of the Sangh Parivar has not directed BJP. So whatever sympathy is there, it is with us. And no one can claim that it is only for BJP. उन्होंने कोई सूचना नहीं दी है, इसका मतलब समझ लेना चाहिए। ऊपर से कोई सूचना नहीं है।
नहीं, मैं मानता हूं कि संघ परिवार और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता गुजरात में वो विचारधारा से जुड़े हुए हैं। हमको यही सिखाया गया है कि व्यक्ति से बड़ा दल होता है और दल से बड़ा देश होता है। तो कोई भी नेता इधर उधर हो जाए, आज नहीं कल भी कुछ हो, फिर भी सब कार्यकर्ता पार्टी के साथ विचारधारा के साथ रहते हैं।
Well, the Gujarat Parivartan Party was recently formed by Modi beta and former Chief Minister Keshubhai Patel. The party is directly taking on the all-powerful Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, calling his rule authoritarian. The Gujarat Parivartan Party is posing a major challenge to Modi in Saurashtra region of the state, where the farmers are reportedly disenchanted with the Modi government. The region sends 54 MLAs to the 182-member Gujarat Assembly. Also, Patel votes are a deciding factor in almost 20 seats of the region. Keshubhai enjoys widespread support in this region, but it remains to be seen whether that support translates into votes.
Is this war for Saurashtra, or is this a personal feud between Keshubhai Patel, Gordhan Zadafia versus Narendra Modi, the Gujarat Chief Minister? Many in this region see this not as a war for water, war for justice, war for law and order, but a personal fight that is playing out on the streets of Saurashtra. Keshubhai Patel and Gordhan Zadafia also raising the issue of Navjot Singh Sidhu insulting Keshubhai Patel, hoping at least one of these many issues will strike a chord with the predominantly Lehua Patel community in the region. With cameraman Kirpal Singh at Gondal, Saurashtra, Gaurav Sawant for Headlines Today.